If you dip this in milk, it's not gonna be the same.
I never dip an Oreo in milk.
Imagine not dipping Oreos in milk. You have to. So I went to my local Asian supermarket and saw some more unique Oreo flavors. Blueberry and raspberry. I'm hating it and loving it at the same time. It's weird. First of all, I've never tried an Oreo with two different flavors of cream on the inside, but blueberry and raspberry, it just seems a bit too artificial. Nah, It's kind of reminding me of cough syrup. I'm giving this a 4.1 out of 10. Peach and grape. Well, this might be worse than the last one. It reminds me of one of those purple grape candies, but far worse. And then when you try to mix that with a chocolate cookie, and I don't even taste the peach in this one, it's just grape. Not impressed. I'm giving this maybe 3.2 out of 10. Peach. Okay, this one's not bad. It's not two flavors that don't really go well together. It kind of reminds me of one of those old school butter cookies with the peach filling on the inside. It's okay, it's not bad. I'm gonna give this maybe a 5.7 out of 10. Strawberry cakester. Okay, this one smells good. Okay, that's not bad. I don't know, you can't really call this an Oreo. It's more like a cake. It's a chocolate cake with strawberry icing. It's good. I would give this maybe a 7.1 out of 10, but it's not an Oreo. Like, you can't call an Oreo cakester an actual Oreo.